Okay, so we followed our river from the mountain. It got to the plains, and then as it went across the plains, it was meandering. And now this river is going to come to its ultimate base level, which is going to be the ocean. So what's it going to do? Well, as soon as it gets to the ocean, it's going to slow down. And once it slows down, it's going to drop all of its sediment. So it's going to be dropping all those clays and all of that silt. So it's going to start to be deposited where the river meets the ocean. And so this is going to form a delta. Now notice that this is going to be very similar to the alluvial fan. So this was when the mountain, the river came out of the mountain, and when it came to a flat area, it had to slow down abruptly, and it dropped its load in the form of an alluvial fan. So this time, when this river encounters the ocean, it's going to slow down, it's going to drop its load, and so this is going to be called a delta. And in the same way that the alluvial fan starts out as being just a single river, but then it clogs up the channel, and then it goes in a different direction and clogs up that channel, and then it goes in a different direction and clogs up that channel, and so eventually it forms this alluvial fan. This river that is emptying into the ocean will do the same thing. So at first it's going to have one channel, it's going to clog it up, and then the river is going to find a faster route to get to the ocean, and it's going to take that route, and it's going to eventually clog it up, and so it's going to start to build up this delta area here. Now some deltas are fairly stable, but when you have a lot of ocean activity where waves are coming in and constantly pounding on it, then in those situations you don't tend to have a very distinct delta area. Okay, so let's take a break, and when we come back, let's talk about how does a river adapt to new conditions.